You're good. Okay. You're good?
Yeah.
You're rolling?
Yeah.
Your red light's on?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. This is hamburger history for sure. I get great joy out of preserving the American hamburger. How's my hair? Okay?
Yeah.
That wasn't convincing enough.
Yes.
My name is George Motz, and it is my job to preserve hamburger history. What you may or may not know is that there are many, many regional styles out there. And today, I'm going to show you a really cool one. It's called the Slugburger. You may or may not know that almost got it. Sorry, Ruby.
You were really close.
Sorry, I'll leave the F-bomb to my 15-year-old daughter, who's also camera op number 2. Well, number 1, there's no other camera. Let's do it. Like most regional burgers in America, the Slugburger exists in a very, very tiny part of the country, specifically in northern Mississippi. Hard times leading up to the Great Depression meant people had to use inventive ways to extend their food supply. When it came to a hamburger restaurant, that meant taking yesterday's bread, stale bread, crushing it up and putting it into today's beef supply, thereby extending the beef supply. It was a very ingenious way to make the meat last for many, many days. Now you know the history, let's cook. Beef. And we have breadcrumbs. You take like a hero roll and you dry it out overnight, and then you throw it in your Cuisinart or blender. You want big chunks in there. Big chunks are very important. How much breadcrumb you put in is up to you. Adding breadcrumbs. Okay. So there are no slugs in this burger, in case you were maybe you're hoping for slugs. The name actually comes from the old term for a nickel, because these burgers used to cost a nickel. They would say, "Give me a slug." Maybe some people like slugs in their burger. So all I'm doing is combining the meat and the breadcrumbs. That's it. Don't put anything else in here. No seasoning, nothing. I have a ball of beef. It's breadcrumbs, it's high heat, it's beef, it's some salt. We're gonna make a patty by pressing it into shape. What's basically happening is those breadcrumbs are starting to absorb the rendered beef fat. When that happens, it makes the breadcrumbs really crispy, and those breadcrumbs are really going to accentuate the fried crunchiness of this burger. I believe that beef and breadcrumbs are the original Slugburger. But today, if you ask for a Slugburger in the South, you're actually not going to get a beef burger. You're going to get a pork burger. It's actually a burger made from ground pork and soy flour. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Also, this burger has no cheese. We're not putting cheese on this burger. You know why? Because cheese didn't exist on burgers when this burger was invented. This burger actually predates the cheeseburger by probably 2 decades. Wow, it's so crunchy. Those crunchy bits have absorbed that rendered beef fat and almost made we have like a fried hamburger here. I'm also gonna prep the bun. It's very important. I need a plate. Oh shit. So that coming. Just take the, here. Sorry. Doping is slang from the burger world, which basically means that you're preparing the bun, a little bit of mustard, some pickles, and that's it. I'm using a very uncomplicated white bun because that's honestly what would have happened 100 years ago. This burger goes back to the dawn of the hamburger age. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, wow. That's really good. What else can I say? To me, that tastes unbelievably accurate. The value of appreciating a regional burger like this is that you get to go back in time and experience what somebody may have experienced 100 years ago. It's about method. It's about the method of cooking and keeping things simple, keeping things historically accurate. That's my job. My job is to make sure you appreciate the regional hamburger, like the Slugburger. Ruby! Okay, I'm glad you missed flute class. You tell that teacher we're gonna play extra flute today.